What is the crack? Welcome back to Uncle Lou's kitchen. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to master the art of making vegan coconut fudge. This is the easiest recipe you could ever make, right? It's 2 ingredients and that's about it, unless you want to get adventurous and make what is known as Ladoo, which is an Indian sweet, which then you're going to need to add about 3 more little ingredients here and there, and other than that, you're good to go. I always said if ever anything's going to kill me, it's going to be type 2 diabetes, because I used to live off Indian sweets. When I was growing up in London, it was near an area called Hounslow, and then there's a massive Indian community there, and the food was just divine, right? So basically, I was living off this stuff. The best one you can get really is the carrot one, which is called gajar burfi, and if you know how to make that, man, just drop me a comment down below, because I've been trying to master this for a very long time. And I'm just looking for a good vegan recipe, so I will shout you out and I'll give you all the credit. Just get me a good recipe, that's all I'm saying. Hit down in the comments. As always, folks, anyhow, please, if you like vegan food, vegetarian food, there's no animals on my channel, there are no animal products on my channel, so please just hit the like button, hit subscribe, and you'll be notified every time I upload awesomeness. And yeah, let's get cooking. Love you all, take care, have an amazing day.
So I thought for this video I'd actually show you how to make the Indian version, which is called Ladoo. I think the cardamom and the rose water complement this very well. But if you just want to make a regular coconut fudge, just omit all the rest. And all you're going to want is the coconut shreds and your vegan condensed coconut milk. For this I am using Nature's Charm. So for this you're going to want 2.5 cups of desiccated coconut, 1 can of vegan condensed milk, which is a bit more than a cup. You want a full teaspoon of ground cardamom and some almonds to garnish. And you're also going to want a teaspoon of rose water essence. And that's about it, you're good to go. Very easy. Right, folks, this is honestly so easy, I don't even need to talk, just enjoy the background music. Basically, all you want to do is toast the coconut for 3 minutes, just until it starts smelling nice and roasted. Then you're just going to add your cardamom, if you're making ladoo, and a teaspoon of the rose water, and just stir it up. Add your condensed milk in there, and just keep stirring it, but keep an eye on it. And just so you know, we're cooking this on medium heat the whole time. There's no need to rush it. It's going to take about 10-15 minutes. Again, medium heat. Once you see it starts evaporating and you're left with a nice, fairly solid clump, just push it to the side and let it cool off. Now once your mixture's at room temperature and you can work with it, what we're going to do is just put it on one plate and get our workplace ready. And here's where it gets messy. We want to rub our hands with a bit of butter and start rolling them into little balls. This is what's going to give them the buttery flavour. And once our balls have been buttered, we're going to throw them into the coconut mix. And we're going to garnish that with a little almond on top. The vegan butter that I'm using is called Naturli. This is amazing. Big love to the Naturli crew.
A few moments later.
And as I said in the beginning, this batch is going to yield 14 coconut fudge balls. And from here you can actually go crazier with it if you want to start adding different toppings on top. You can see here that I've done not only the ladoo, but I've added salted caramel syrup on top on one of them and chocolate fudge syrup on the other one. Again, Nature's Charm. This is not a sponsored ad for Nature's Charm. But I do love them, they are awesome, so do buy their stuff because you will love them too. Again, not a paid promotion. And that's about it for today's episode, beautiful people. Thank you once again. As always, please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, it would make me a very happy bunny. I am so close right now to 1,000 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you awesome people. Thank you.
It's raining outside, but at least we have our little babies. Look at that. Mother lover.